Good morning and welcome to WPNN.
My name is Camilla.
And my name is Jael.
And my name is Chloe.
It's a wonderful day to be a Panther.
In sporting news, our boys junior varsity baseball team will play Cocoa Beach here at home. The game starts at 6 p.m.
The varsity baseball team will travel to Kissimmee for their game against Gateway High School at 6 p.m.
Good luck, Panthers!
Seniors, prom season is here.
Tickets will be on sale starting Monday, March 18th. At all lunches, it's $50. If you plan on bringing someone who does not attend Heritage High School, please make sure to see Mrs. Frides in the front office for permission forms.
Please make sure you turn them back into her before buying a ticket.
If you want to run for prom king or queen, please make sure to attend mandatory meeting after school at 3:40 p.m. on Thursday, March 14th in the principal's conference room.
Also, seniors, the Powder Puff game will be on April 10th.
Sign-ups will be $25 cost that will include a Powder Puff shirt. You need to have your physical paperwork on file from this school year, along with a return permission slip. Sign-ups will start Monday, March 11th, and we will only accept 8 per lunch, so no need to skip class to sign up.
Please see Ms. Spittler if you have any concern or questions.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue! That was it.